I don't like this. It's itchy.
喺唔同附近位置咧都係有超過
20
個人左右㗎，分別就係喺入境事務大樓同埋調景嶺站附近。
當巴士行到入境事務大樓對開，已經有一大班巴士迷跑嚟跑去，仲有人大膽橫過馬路。
Can you do a bubble? Shut up. Do a bubble for me.
再轉到設計學院方向嗰陣，就見到呢班
She can, but she doesn't want to do it.
仲跨過石壆，哇！佢哋完全係漠視交通規則啊！究竟呢架係咩巴士咁巴閉咧？有到咁多 fans， 慕名而嚟，一睹佢嘅光榮。
呢個巴士就係逢消防及救護學院
Why are you
開
acting
放
like
期
baby?
間先服務一日啫。呢條路
She's my sister.
或者影下相㗎。
咩？
呢個巴士
That is my
都係
sister.
屬於城巴仍然用緊舊塗裝嘅巴士啊。咁呢架巴士咧當日咧應該係由城巴嘅行政總裁負責先嘅。
呢班巴士迷嘅行為惹嚟網民熱烈討論，有人類比類人，亦都有人話佢。
周圍跑、周圍影咁樣，完全無視交通規則咁樣㗎。
當然，你都係巴士迷啦。咁如果
What's that for?
你會點樣做咧？
如果俾我揀嘅話，一定會企翻
Come on.
嘅，因為咧
How dare you push me, you stupid mohawk?
位可以影到，影得靚之餘咧，仲可以影得安全啲。
She's so
哇！
mean.
咁快，中年好聲音3咧已經踏入咗最後10強嘅選戰㗎啦。
She's nice in real
可
life.
以投選自己心目中
She's just
喜歡嘅
acting
選手啦。由今日開始至
True it.
2月21號晚上11
True it.
59分，掃下個 QR code 咧就可以投選頭3位你哋最中意同埋支持嘅選手㗎啦。除咗投票之外咧，只要答中問題啊，就有機會抽中喺5月11號晚睇
Who did you do that?
嘅中年好聲音3
Me?
嘅入場券2張啊！我哋總共咧係會出10位，咁就可以親身見到佢哋啦。
Come on.
中年好聲音舉行慶功宴，比賽去到尾聲，大家確實有啲難捨難離，日日齊齊食翻餐。
Samina, something is supposed to say that. I'm gonna steal more guns of yours.